education part called the Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 is a simple rule that teaches how money works. So when you look at the rate of return of your investments and you divide it into 72, what it basically tells you is the number of years it's going to take for your money to double. So obviously, the higher the rate of return, the better. You would not believe how many people don't even pay attention to what they're getting on the rate of return. And it's costing them hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars by retirement. So let's take a look at this. So the Rule of 72. The first part, Albert Einstein called this the eighth wonder of the world. And when you look at 4% versus other rates of return, so 4% divides into 72 exactly 18 times. So it takes 18 years for money to double at 4%. 10 grand today would double to 20 and then to 40,000. You might think to yourself, hey, not bad, not a bad place to go. If you look at banks and billion-dollar institutions, they want to stick you into 1-2% GICs, and they take that money and they give it to professional money managers, and they grow the money at 8, 10, 12%. They make fortunes, which you'll see here. So if you instead got better advice or better knowledge, and let's say you could get 6 or maybe 8% return, take a look at 8%, for example. 8% is only double the 4%. So you would think that the 40 grand you got over here at 4% would double to 80 because it's only double the rate of return. However, this is the power of compound interest. With compound interest at 8%, your money is doubling twice as fast. So that means your 10,000 goes to 20, 40, 80, and doubles again to 160,000. Check out 12%. People always say to me, well, Darren, where do you get 12% these days? That's a big number. There are a lot of places over the last 10, 15 years that have averaged that kind of return. So imagine if your money was now doubling every 6 years. Your money now is growing to 10, 20, 40, 80, 160, 320, and another doubling is 640,000. Imagine if both family members did this together and you could amass over $1 million. That's the kind of fin number people need to be having today to be able to really retire with dignity and not have to worry about money stress. Here's the crazy thing. We give our money away to banks and credit unions and institutions. They want to give us a whopping, what, 0.5% in our savings account, 1-2% GIC rate. Nobody will become financially independent ever in a lifetime unless you have millions to begin with. But people that have millions to begin with would never give it away at 1-2%. So why should you? I encourage you to understand this rule and talk to the person that have you watch this video and get some knowledge on this and help yourself become more financially savvy.